Welcome to the Baybrook Estates here in Toms River, New Jersey. My name is Yitzi Nussbaum with the Nussbaum team at Keller Williams. Today we're featuring 1383 Cabernet Court. This 6,000 square foot home features 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. Let's go in and check this place out. Come on in. Just imagine your friends and family enjoying this beautiful double-story family room with Brazilian cherry flooring and custom built-in entertainment center. Let's go check out the master suite on the first floor. Now let's go have some fun in the entertainment room. This backyard offers loads of amenities. You have the in-ground pool, cabana over there, and on this side you got a play set. Hope you all enjoyed the tour of this beautiful estate. To schedule a showing, give us a call, 929-777-0347. See you next time.